We're on the island of St. Croix, about to embark on one of the most unusual experiences you can have in the Virgin Islands.
How you doing, man?
Ty McCrae will be our guide through the Salt River National Historic Park and Preserve, a place that protects one of the most illuminating marvels on Earth.
So, bioluminescence.
Yeah, bioluminescence. I kind of describe it as swimming in pixie dust or Tinkerbell's dust.
All right. Well, I'm hoping we get the chance to swim in some pixie dust.
This pixie dust is something you can only see at night in the dark water of a bioluminescent bay. That's why Ty's got us kayaking into the Salt River Bay, trying to beat the rising moon. The darker, the better.
We're paddling across the ocean in the pitch black right now. I can feel the waves, but I can't see them.
It's okay, we just have waves to our left, beautiful beaches to our right.
Yeah, but what's in between?
Turtles, sharks.
The Salt River Bay is one of a handful of bioluminescent or biobays in the world. Bioluminescence means living light. There are several types of creatures that glow in these waters, and we hope to see a few.
All right, guys, you ready? It's time to shut off the lights.
All right, let's do it.
Our high-tech cameras make the sky look like it's twilight. It's not. We're really in the dark.
There are other things than bioluminescence down here, guys.
Dinoflagellates are tiny organisms that emit light as a defense mechanism to scare off predators. We're trying to stir some up by waving our arms around in the water.
And every time you bump them, it causes a chemical reaction to happen inside, and one of the byproducts would be light.
This is what they look like when they're in full force. Unfortunately, today's rainstorm created conditions that aren't perfect for maximum twinkling. But we're getting a little action.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You can't see that many of them, but every little guy that you can see is pretty amazing.
There's another glow-in-the-dark creature out here.
Jack, look at that. See that?
And it's much bigger and easier to spot.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish, jellyfish. He's right over there, I saw him.
Comb jellyfish also light up as a defense mechanism. But to really appreciate them, you need to be close up.
Would it be better if we jumped in and our whole body was going through there? Or
You guys want to try? Let's do it.
All right. Oh, oh, what? Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, make light, make light, make light, make light. Come on, I'm so close.
Comb jellies don't sting, so if we get one, we can safely hold it.
Got one? Got one. Got one. Dude, come here, guys. I'm going to just pass them in your hands. Don't let them go.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Do you see him?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, man.
Every time we shake our hands, you can see him just light up more and more. And he looks like a little circular glow stick.
Oh, there it is. You want to hold him? Yes, I do.
All right, here we go. Careful now.
Oh, you got him, you got him. Oh, no, no, no! Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? No! Oh, there he is. No, get him. Oh, get me. Where'd he go?
Let's find another.
Yeah. Oh, man, I could stay out here all night.
Can't believe I held a jellyfish.
Jellyfish, where are you? I think swimming was the key because we're starting to see jellyfish everywhere. I don't know what it is. I've got great hands, but jellyfish, they elude me. Come on. Well, I'm trying to cup your hands. He's slippery. Back to a song we all love and know. Jellyfish, jellyfish, where are you? Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.